Hello and welcome to today's session. We are going to start with this activity for our session today. You'll need to log into Mentimeter and use this code to access this activity and be part of it. As a follow-up to our last session of understanding the disciplinary process, today's topic we are going to look at the hearing minute and what happens in the hearing minutes. I'll start the topic today, the STOR disciplinary hearing process. We start by looking at the parties present. The employee is an essential part of the hearing process, and it is recommended for the employee to be present. But there are times that the employee is not present for one reason or another, and the employee can send a witness to represent him or her. This witness, remember, must be a part of the organization. You cannot be represented by an external person. At the same time, the employee and the witness can be present in the same hearing process if the employee is also available. The store manager is also present for this hearing. A HR representative, it could be a human resource manager, a representative selected by the company to be part of the disciplinary processes. Also, it is important to have a minute taker because at the time that the store manager or the HR representative is interacting with the employee, they may not have time to take minutes and take them properly. And minutes are an essential part of the disciplinary process because it forms part of the documentation that is used in case of further disciplinary actions in future, or in case the employee disputes the actions that were taken during and after the hearing process. The next part, we look at what should take place during the hearing. The store manager here explains the allegations against the employee and the purpose of the hearing. Also, the employee and the witness are given a chance to respond to the allegations. The minutes of the proceedings, of course, they are taken by the minute taker. We are also going to look at after the hearing, what's supposed to happen. So the minutes that were recorded are shared for all to confirm. This includes the employee, the witness, the store manager, HR representative. All parties must read and confirm by signing. We're also going to look at the sample decisions that are taken. So some of these could be a warning. If an employee already has a warning, they will get maybe a second warning or a final warning. But also it could lead to termination. And for this termination, it's a process. We need to get approval from the head office. This part we are going to look at for our next session. The templates used for the disciplinary process are the warning letter template if it has if the final decision is a warning, or a termination if that is the final decision taken. Termination letter template and warning template. I'm also going to look briefly at how to access the templates from company intranet, which is QDMS. To access the QDMS portal, you'll start by logging in with your username and password. It will lead you to this portal where you'll select your language. By default, it's in Turkish. We'll select English. It will bring you to this selection where you click View. You want to view the documentation under the LC Waikiki portal. You'll select LC Waikiki. You need to translate the page. Sometimes it doesn't pick the translation. You'll go to Central Human Resource Directive. You'll go to, again, you need to still keep on translating, Employee Relations. You'll go to Forms. And you can see the forms here. Thank you for today.